Guys, hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the ultimate love part. Kachi's mom reacts to Rosie having a second son. Against all odds and expectations, Kachi's mom is willing to support the relationship between her son and Rosie, who has two kids with different men. This will be coming as a surprise to many people, as they already ruled out the possibility of the couple to seal the union with marriage in the society that go against single mother. So after they had their couple session with Aunty last Wednesday, Rosie was concerned about what Kachi's mother thinks of her and if she's going to accept them together after the show. He says he sent a message to Aunty that he would like to speak to his mom. It is not a problem for him, but he trusts his mom's judgement. His parents no send. They will ask him if he's happy. Thereafter, it has been confirmed via Instagram that Kachi's mother has already accepted the union amidst the latest controversy. Someone asked in Instagram saying, "Our mother-in-law should please accept Rosie." And then Kachi's brother, who is in charge of his Instagram account, replied, "But my mother really loves Rosie." So this is a confirmation from outside that Kachi's mom has really accepted Rosie, and we are happy for this development. So what do you think, guys? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. And if you're new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.